Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings for Warangal location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss in detail one by one. Attention please. Do not pay money for any kind of job. Firstly, there is a job openings for Aqua Nira Industries Private Limited. They are looking for territory sales officer. Salary offered minimum 12,000 to up to 15,000 a month. You can see roles and responsibilities. Every field executive has to coordinate with the Hyderabad branch and sales coordinator to complete the joining formalities. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9100075057. You can get to know more information on contacting the given phone number. Next, there is a job openings for Junior Research Fellow for NIT Warangal. Salary offered up to 31,000 a month. You can check with the detailed information. There is an official notification from NIT Warangal. For more information, you can browse the provided website address link. And freshers are eligible for the job role. Education qualification required BSc or BTech or BE, MSc or ME, MTech. Last date to apply for this job role is January 31st, 2021. Selection procedure will be shortlisted candidates will have to attend an interview online. There is also official email ID available skghosh@nitw.ac.in. You have to share your biodata or CV, scanned copy of your certificates to this provided email ID. For more information, you can visit the official website address of the NIT Warangal. If you face any problem, let me know in comments. I will be replying for that. Next, there is a job openings for Mediprobe Consultancy Private Limited. They are looking for field officer position. Salary offered minimum 12,000 a month. And it is a Mediclaim investigation job role. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 94234 Next, there is a job openings for Biopharma GRP. They are looking for managers and representative positions for both the states like Andhra Pradesh and Telangana locations. Attractive package is offered. You can share your resume at the provided email ID or you can contact on the given phone number for more information. Email ID is biopharmgrp@gmail.com and contact number is 9845570506. Next, there is a job openings for Magadiri Car Decor. They are looking for experienced and fresher computer operator. For both positions, they have vacancies like experienced and fresher job openings are available. Computer operator, they have one vacancy. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. And car decor, there is two vacancies available. And wheel alignment, there is two vacancies available. And was executives and office executive, they have vacancies as well. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9121 Next, there is a job openings for Educational Institute for experienced telecaller. Only female candidates are eligible for the job role, and they are also looking for admissions counselor and PROs. Only male candidates are eligible. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8332066660. Next, there is a job openings for Dr. Geeta's Homeopathy. They are looking for part-time and full-time positions for marketing executive positions. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9248141030. Next, there is a job openings for a hospital. They are looking for assistant and receptionist and nurses as well. And only female candidates are eligible for the job roles. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. And there is also no experience is mandatory. No experience is required. The freshers are also eligible for the job role. Contact number is 8985602026. Next, there is job openings for MNR organization. They are looking for faculty positions for professors and associate professors. and assistant professors as well for MED and BEd courses. For professors and associate professors, qualification if you see postgraduate degree and MED or MA with education and minimum 55% marks required. PhD in education or in the discipline of specialization is required and minimum of 10 research publications and 10 years of experience in TEIS is required. For assistant professor positions, PG degree in any school subject, MED with 55% marks in both NET or SLET in education. And they are also looking for principal position, postgraduate degree and MED with 55% marks in both and should have a PhD in education or in any pedagogic subject and minimum 8 years of teaching experience in BEd college is required. And you can share your you can apply to the provided address, like you can send your applications along with your xerox copies of all certificates should reach on or before January 30 to the provided address, Director Education, MNR Educational Trust, Bhaginagar Phase 3 opposite to JNTU, Kukatpalli, Hyderabad 500085. So you have to send your CV or resume along with xerox copies of all certificates should reach before or on January 31st, 2021. Next, there is a job vacancies for Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technology. They are looking for various positions like assistant, associate professors and professors on regular basis. For the department CSC, CSC, AI and ML, CSC Data Science, Computer Science and Business Systems, Civil Engineering, Electronics Engineering Department and Electrical and Electronics Engineering Department, Information Technology and MMT, Mechanical Mechatronics Engineering Department, Mathematics Department and Physics Department, English, Management Science and Political Science Departments. For all these departments, they have vacancies for assistant professor, associate professors and professors on regular basis. So last day to apply for this job is January 30, 2021. And for more application forms and details, you can visit the official website of the Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technology, that is www.mgit.ac.in. And they are also looking for non-teaching staffs on regular and contract basis. They have vacancies for deputy registrar, assistant registrar, office superintendent, senior or junior assistant accounts and assistant programmer, computer operator, junior assistant cum data entry operator, stenographer, technicians in the Department of Civil, Electrical, Mechanical and PNC and MMT departments. So these are all the details, and qualification and scale of pay will be as per 7 CPC scales. You have to visit the official website of the Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technology for more details and application forms available on the website. And there is some procedure, you can go through it. The application procedure is available, you can check with that. Should be self-assisted copies, so you have to share. You can get to know more information on the given official website address. Next, there is a job openings for Aqua Genius Copper and RO water purifiers. They are looking for marketing executives district wise in Telangana state. Only male candidates are eligible for the job role. Minimum qualification is degree. Salary offered up to 12,000 a month along with incentives and ESI as well. You can share your resume at the provided WhatsApp number, that is 9848405890. Next, there is a job openings for marketing executives for a hospital. Should have a good communication skills and minimum qualification is degree. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9059721171. Next, there is a job openings for Orgalu Petrol Pump, IOCL. They are looking for working staff, air filling, only male candidate is eligible. Bike or car cleaning executive, only male candidates are eligible. And petrol or diesel filling executives, 2 vacancies available. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9550341309. Next, there is a job vacancies for teaching positions for all subjects from first class to 12th in a tuition center in Hanmakonda. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8341649764. Next, there is a job openings for experienced pharmacist for a opening like new pharmacy center at KUC 100 feet road near Tulsi Bar, Hanmakonda. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 9912289217. Next, there is a job vacancies for demonstration of a medical devices. Minimum qualification is any degree from science background. Minimum 2 years of experience is required. Minimum age is 22 and up to 33 years of age will be considered. Salary offered minimum 10,000 to up to 18,000 a month. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Contact numbers are 9515635018 and 9985902424. Both male and female candidates are eligible for the job role. Next, there is a job openings for Harris Academy. They are looking for receptionist position. They are looking for only female candidates. 2 vacancies available, and they are also looking for office executive position. Only male candidate is eligible for the job role. You can contact on the given phone number for more information. Contact number is 8341116915. Next, there is a job openings for VL Diagnostics. They are looking for lab technician position. You can contact on the given phone numbers for more information. Contact numbers are 9701998898 and 9394837060. That's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings for Warangal location. And please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more videos for Warangal jobs. And please like our videos, share our videos with your friends and family members who are in need of job. Thank you so much for your love and support. Have a great day.